What if I told you that right now in 2026, there are AI tools so powerful they can build your presentations, search the internet smarter than Google, clone any voice, generate full videos from text, and even turn a 300-page document into a podcast? And most people have absolutely no idea these tools exist. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what these tools are, how they work, and how you can start using them today, completely free. Trust me, you want to watch this until the end because number one changed everything for me. Welcome to ZhavTech, where we cover the most powerful AI and tech tools every single week. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. New videos drop every week. Now, let's get into the 5 AI tools that are completely changing the game in 2026. Let's start with number 5. Number 5 is Gamma AI. And if you've ever spent hours building a PowerPoint presentation, this tool is going to feel like magic. Here's how it works. You open Gamma, you type one sentence, just one sentence describing what your presentation is about, and within seconds, Gamma builds you a complete, fully designed professional presentation. It picks the layout, it writes the content, it adds the visuals, everything. And we're not talking about a basic, boring template. We're talking about presentation quality that looks like a professional designer spent hours on it. You can use Gamma for business pitches, school projects, client reports, or even your personal portfolio. And the best part? You don't need to know anything about design. Zero skills required. Gamma also lets you turn your presentation into a shareable link. So instead of sending a PowerPoint file, you send a link, and people can view it beautifully on any device. The free plan gives you more than enough to get started. Just go to gamma.app. I'll put the link in the description below. This one alone will save you hours every single week. Number 4 is Perplexity AI, and this one is going to change how you search for information forever. Think about how you currently use Google. You type something. Google gives you 10 blue links. You click the first one. It's not what you wanted. You click the second one. You read through a bunch of ads and irrelevant content. 10 minutes later, you still haven't found a clear answer. Perplexity fixes all of that. Instead of giving you links, Perplexity gives you a direct answer, pulled from multiple sources across the internet in real time. It tells you exactly what you need to know in clear, readable language. And it cites every source so you can verify the information yourself. What makes Perplexity different from regular AI chatbots like ChatGPT is that it searches the internet live. That means the information is always current. You can ask it about news that happened this morning and it will give you an accurate, up-to-date answer. Students are using it to do research in minutes instead of hours. Professionals are using it to analyze markets and industries. Content creators are using it to find trending topics before anyone else. And it is completely free. Just go to perplexity.ai and try it right now. I promise, once you use it, you won't go back to regular search. Number 3 is ElevenLabs, and this one is genuinely one of the most impressive things I have ever heard. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator, but not the kind of robotic, obviously fake AI voice you might be thinking of. We're talking about voices that sound completely human, natural breathing, natural pauses, natural emotion. Most people genuinely cannot tell the difference. Here's what you can do with it. You write your script, whatever you want to say. You choose a voice from their library, male, female, different accents, different ages, and ElevenLabs reads your script out loud in that voice instantly. Think about what that means for content creators. You can make YouTube videos without ever speaking on camera. You can create audiobooks. You can produce podcast episodes. You can even create voiceovers for ads and explainer videos, all without recording a single word yourself. ElevenLabs also has a voice cloning feature. You can upload a short sample of any voice, and it will replicate that voice and speak anything you type. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month, which is more than enough to get started and test everything out. Go to ElevenLabs.io and hear it for yourself. I guarantee you will be amazed. Number 2 is Runway ML, and I want you to stop whatever you're doing and pay close attention to this one, because this might be the most mind-blowing technology available to regular people right now. Runway is an AI video generator. You type a description in plain English, just words, and Runway generates a video for you. A real video with motion, lighting, atmosphere, and cinematic quality. Let me give you an example. You type, a cyberpunk city at night, raining, neon lights reflecting on wet streets, cinematic camera movement. And within seconds, Runway generates exactly that. A professional-looking video clip from just those words. No camera, no tripod, no filming location, no video editing experience. Just a text description, and you get a video. Think about what this means. YouTubers are using Runway to create visuals for their videos without filming anything. Filmmakers are using it to create scenes that would be impossible or too expensive to shoot in real life. Marketers are using it to create ads in minutes instead of weeks. In 2026, Runway released their latest model, and the quality jump is absolutely insane. The videos look real, like actually genuinely real. The free plan gives you credits to generate videos and start experimenting. Go to runwayml.com and see it with your own eyes. This is not the future. This is right now. And number one, the one I promise would shock you, is NotebookLM, made by Google. And I genuinely believe this is one of the most underrated tools of 2026. Here's what NotebookLM does. You upload any document, a PDF, a Google Doc, a YouTube video link, a website, an article, anything, and it becomes your personal AI assistant for that content. You can ask it questions. What are the three main arguments in this document? And it answers instantly, with citations pointing to exactly where in the document it found the information. You can ask it to summarize a 500-page report in 5 bullet points. Done in seconds. But here is the feature that blew everyone's mind when Google released it: audio overview. NotebookLM can take your uploaded content and turn it into a podcast, a real podcast, with 2 AI hosts who have a natural conversation about your content. They ask each other questions, they explain concepts, they even disagree with each other. It sounds like a real radio show, and it is based entirely on the documents you uploaded. Imagine uploading your university lecture notes and getting a 10-minute podcast explaining everything in simple language. Imagine uploading a business report and having 2 AI hosts break it down for you while you're driving to work. This is completely free. Just go to notebooklm.google, upload any document, and experience it yourself. This is the future of learning. So there you have it, the 5 AI tools that are completely changing the game in 2026. Gamma AI for presentations, Perplexity for smart search, ElevenLabs for AI voice, Runway ML for AI video, and NotebookLM, the Google tool that turns anything into a podcast. All 5 of these tools have free plans. All 5 are available right now, and all 5 are being used by the people who are moving faster, working smarter, and creating more, while everyone else is still doing things the hard way. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more videos like this every week, and drop a comment below. Which tool are you most excited to try? I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one.